Control Center is one of the core iPhone features that allows you to quickly access all your key settings without having to switch between apps and dig deep into your settings. To open Control Center, you'll swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. You'll see buttons and toggles, and even sliders that allow you to change things like screen brightness and your volume. This view can be fully customized, and your layout might look a little different than mine. That's totally normal. You're also not limited to the first page. If you swipe down or use the little buttons on the right edge of your screen, you can flip between a few different pages within your Control Center. And just like the first page, each of these pages are fully customizable, and we'll get to that in a second. So the beauty of the Control Center is that you can access it anytime without leaving the app you're in. I can pull it down, change some settings, and then tap away, all while staying in my current app. No need to leave the app and find my settings. If you do want to customize your Control Center, you can do that by tapping the little plus icon in the top left corner. You can use the little minus icon on each button to remove the ones you don't like, and you can use the handle on the bottom right to resize your buttons. And of course, you can tap, hold, and drag to move your buttons around and create a custom layout with all your important controls in one place. On the bottom, you'll see an option for adding controls. The controls you see is only scratching the surface, and the Add Controls menu will reveal the full list of all the available toggles that can be added to your Control Center. I'm not going to dive too deep into these because there's so many, but whatever you'll need, you'll usually find it here. You can either scroll the list or use the search bar up top to search for specific functions. To add something to your Control Center, you'll simply tap it, and it'll get added. You can then resize it, change the position, or pull it to a different page if you'd like to. One kind of a cool hidden feature is that you can long press almost any button here to open up more options. For example, long pressing the brightness and volume slider gives you a huge slider that allows you to adjust them more precisely. Long pressing Bluetooth shows you available Bluetooth devices, etc. And that's Control Center, something every iPhone user should learn and master. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this.